What's the difference between the business entities? There are 4 business entities: the sole proprietor, the partnership, the limited liability company, and the corporation. The main differences are related to liability, taxes, and records. The sole proprietor and the partnership have the most amount of liability because they are considered the same as the business. So owners are personally liable for any business debts or liabilities. Taxes are dealt with on a pass-through basis, so business profits and losses are passed through and go directly on to the owner's personal tax return. Finally, for records, they're very minimal and easy to maintain. For the limited liability company, that is considered a separate legal entity from its owners. So there is limited liability, and its owners are not personally liable for the business debts. Taxes are also dealt with on a pass-through basis and reported on the owner's personal tax returns. There are a few records that do need to be maintained, and they're easy to do. There's an annual report, owner information, financial statements, and an operating agreement. Finally, there's the corporation. This is also considered a separate entity from its owners and shareholders, so there's limited personal liability. For taxes, it is not on a pass-through basis, it's double taxation. This means that the corporation pays taxes on its profits, and owners and shareholders pay taxes on the profits they receive from the business. For records, there are many records that need to be maintained. There's the annual report, financial statements, meeting minutes, documentation of actions taken without a meeting, bylaws and amendments, and shareholder records. Those are the main differences between the business entities, and it's important to choose the right one for your business.